Hello guys, this is Gavin the Fire Alarm Guy. Yes, you guessed it, I'm doing the unboxing video, which you can see I already opened it. So we're gonna see what's in there. Yes, you got see my handy dandy scissors, so we're gonna open it. You guessed it, I got a Wheelock AS. Yep, I've been wanting one for a while. Yep. Yes, which you can see is 2-wired. Okay. Here's the mounting bracket. I love Wheelock AS's. Which a couple of my schools that I went to had these. Like, when you saw my fire drill videos, they have those. And it doesn't have a candela window, which that's a light. Must be the older version. An older version. Okay. So, it's nice to get one now. Has I been wanting one? Okay. So, I'll see you in this video. See you in the next one.